Something genuinely eye-opening has quietly surfaced and then vanished almost as fast, and while it clearly wasn't meant for public eyes, it may have just given us the earliest concrete signal yet about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, because according to an eagle-eyed viewer who was browsing Amazon Germany, a temporary product page briefly went live and revealed what appears to be the first retailer-linked trace of DJI's next-generation pocket gimbal camera, which is significant not just because it mentioned the Osmo Pocket 4 by name, but because it was directly tied to DJI on a major global retail platform, adding real credibility rather than feeling like a random rumor or forum leak. And although the page was quickly removed, rolled back, or hidden before most people could notice, screenshots were captured in time, and those images tell an intriguing story that fits very neatly into DJI's usual product roadmap, as the listing included a projected availability window of March 2026, a date that immediately stood out and sparked discussion because DJI typically announces products only weeks, not many months, before release, which suggests that if March 2026 was visible internally, the real-world launch window could realistically fall in late February or early March, aligning with DJI's historical timing for camera launches and updates, especially for creator-focused devices like the Osmo Pocket series that target vloggers, YouTubers, travel filmmakers, and short-form content creators looking for compact stabilization solutions. And while it's important to stress that an early retailer listing is not the same as an official launch confirmation, DJI has a long history of placeholder pages appearing briefly on retail sites before disappearing, often because internal timelines or draft SKUs accidentally sync early. And while sometimes these pages are deliberately vague, they are almost never meaningless, as they tend to surface when a product is already deep into development rather than being a distant concept. And interestingly, the specifications shown on this fleeting Amazon Germany page were not revolutionary at all, instead describing a compact vlogging camera with a roughly 1-inch class CMOS sensor listed at around 2.5 centimeters, 4K video recording up to 120 frames per second, 3-axis mechanical stabilization, fast autofocus with face and subject tracking, and general YouTube compatibility, which on the surface sounds extremely familiar, because those specs align closely with what the Osmo Pocket 3 already delivers, reinforcing the idea that this was almost certainly a placeholder listing using existing or generic data rather than finalized Osmo Pocket 4 hardware details, a common practice among retailers when preparing back-end systems ahead of official announcements, meaning the real Osmo Pocket 4 specs could still include meaningful upgrades such as improved low-light performance, enhanced HDR video, better dynamic range, refined active track algorithms, longer battery life, faster charging, upgraded microphones, improved wireless connectivity, native vertical video tools for shorts and reels, or even deeper integration with DJI's ecosystem and editing apps. But even without confirmed upgrades, the real headline here isn't the spec list, it's the timing and the context, because this marks the first moment the Osmo Pocket 4 has appeared on a major retailer connected directly to DJI, effectively pulling it out of pure rumor territory and placing it firmly on the public radar. And once a product reaches that stage, history suggests that development is largely locked in, marketing preparation has begun, and leaks tend to accelerate rather than slow down, which means we can reasonably expect more concrete information, certification filings, accessory leaks, firmware references, and controlled teasers to emerge as 2026 approaches, especially as competition in the compact camera and vlogging space continues to intensify with creators demanding higher frame rates, better stabilization, cinematic image quality, and effortless workflows for YouTube, TikTok, and travel filmmaking. So while the Amazon Germany page vanished almost instantly and didn't deliver any shocking revelations, its brief existence speaks volumes, quietly confirming that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is real, active, and closer than many expected. And if DJI follows its usual pattern, this accidental slip could be the first domino in a chain of official announcements, controlled leaks, and eventual launch coverage that arrives sooner rather than later, making the next few months especially interesting for anyone tracking DJI cameras, handheld gimbals, compact vlogging gear, and next-generation creator technology in general.